Nobody quits Airsoft because their play carrier doesn't look cool enough, right? They quit because their feet are on fire, their glasses are fogged up 2 minutes in, and they can't see a thing. So this video will be about the cheap gear that actually fixes the problems that ruins your game day. And this isn't just me talking. I asked my Discord members for their advice and experience. So this is a crowd-tested assemblance of methods and gear. Now most of this is like dirt cheap. So everybody can buy this and everybody should buy this, at least in some variant or type, depending on what you need and what your style is. So let's get right into it. Number one by a mile are fogged up glasses. Obviously, you can't have fun or see shit if you can't see shit. You spawn in, you're hyped, and then 30 seconds of running and your glasses are fogged up. Great, I want to go home now, mom pick me up. Indoors, I run the iForce glasses. On their own, they barely fog up because of their technology behind them. And that way you can shove them right up to your face, creating a full enclosure for your face so nothing gets in at a weird angle and there's no gap for any BBs to fly through. And again, these things do not fog up. If you have experience with them, please let me know down below, but so far everybody told me that these things do not fog up and they're dirt cheap. But outdoors is a different game for me. The distances open up and I actually need to see the guy across the field. I'm only slightly short-sighted, but I still want the full 100%, which is why I use prescription inserts. The glasses I run are the Swiss Eye Raptors. They cost about 40 bucks. And I use the prescription lens inserts that you can buy on Amazon. And I got the lenses glazed at my local optician. And mine ran me about 40 euros for that. However, I'm on good terms with them because, you know, our families are friends. So that's a factor here. So search around for a budget optician option. The downside is they love to fog up. There are two methods against this. Number one, obviously anti-fog spray. Everybody should have this. Apply it and you won't have any problems with fogging. The second is keeping a little bit of distance between the glasses and your face. This genuinely helps and makes a lot of difference between having fogged up glasses and not having fogged up lenses. Try it and come back to me on this. Another pro tip, put them on before your game day. Leave them on in the breaks, maybe on top of your head or on your chest, so they always stay the same temperature. The temperature difference is what actually gets you with them fogging up when you put them on again. So keep them warm and keep them at the right temperature. Also, if you wear a balaclava, put it over your balaclava, not underneath. That way no hot air from the balaclava can go into your glasses. And pull your balaclava as far down as possible on your face. For example, I put it roughly around my underlip, so it barely holds the net that I have to protect my teeth, but it doesn't trap any more heat than it needs to. Next one is the one thing everybody should have, proper underwear. Starting with Merino wool socks, I use Danish Endurance, use them in the military for rocks, marches, everything. They're great, and I had never had blisters in my entire life when using them. So, can recommend, you get a 3-pack for 30 bucks, so good pricing as well. Underwear is also really important. You don't want any chafing on your thighs or things moving into places where they shouldn't be or things riding up into places where they shouldn't be. That's also where Danish Endurance comes in with their 3-pair polyester underwear that costs around 24 bucks. Again, these things are long, cut on the legs, so nothing rides up into spaces, if you catch my drift here, and everything stays adjusted the way it should be. Again, if you catch my drift here. And obviously, if you're a woman, like the 0.4% of my viewers, a sports bra, obviously. It's simple and not complicated. Buy one, you'll thank me later, but I think you should know that. The next pain is batteries dying, even when you charge them the day before. One guy on my Discord, shout out Mr. Money, swears by a cheap capacity meter of AliExpress for like 8 euros, plus a small compact charger, like the iMars. Yeah, it's called iMars, for about 10 euros. I'll leave the links down below, but the TLDRs, it balances the cells, so 1 weak cell will not kill your gun, and therefore you will not have a dead gun in the middle of the game day. But honestly, I dodged that entire problem by having a single cell battery, nothing to balance, nothing to be unbalanced and die. So many ways lead to Rome, there's only one true way, and my way is the only true way. I'm kidding, obviously. This one is 5 bucks and everybody should do this as well. Electrical tape and zip ties. Keep them in your GP pouch, I do that as well. One of my guys actually had a broken receiver on his M4 and ran an entire game day with zip ties and electrical tape holding together his gun. I know that because I was there and fixed his gun with him. No matter what you need it for, zip ties and electrical tape will always save the day, no matter what. And here's one thing that didn't work out for me, a Halo sweatband. In paper, this is cool. The sweatband keeps sweat out of your face, obviously, but combine it with a balaclava and a helmet, and you get a lot of pressure points on your head really quickly, which leads to headaches. So I leave that off for Airsoft. The balaclava soaks up sweat just fine. Don't overcomplicate it. And this one brings me to the last couple of rapid fire ones, which are really important as well, but don't deserve a whole lot of time on this video. Number one, electrolytes and sugar. Keep the carbs coming in and the fatigue headaches out of the way. Just Haribos, whatever you need to stay hydrated, carved up, and ready to go on the field. A proper rifle sling, this might sound weird, but A bad rifle sling will ruin your day by getting caught on things or twisting on itself, whatever. Just buy a good one. I'll make a video on this soon. Tie your grenade pins to your grenades with dental floss or something, and tape them with orange tape or something so you don't lose them in the middle of the game day, or especially if you play at night. Also, insoles, if you need them. I personally don't think insoles are needed for casual airsoft. However, for longer events and if you have any kind of back problems or stuff, insoles can generally save your day and your body. So take a look if you need to. And the last thing is, which is really important, carry less shit. You're not an infantry grunt or some kind of recce guy. You don't need to haul 10 pounds with you every time you play. Carry less, be more agile, have more fun. That's important. Slim down your kit to the only thing you barely need. And also one more important thing to have fun is looking cool. If you want to look cool, you need cool patches, obviously. And Sovereign Design UK offers pretty cool patches and apparel, which I use daily. Their keychain link is actually pretty cool, for a pretty good price. And if you want to save even more on that stuff, use the code blowling_10 to get 10% off at checkout. I don't get any money from this, I just get the discount code for you guys. So leave some love there. Pretty cool patches. So now I want your opinion on this. Is there anything I missed or anything I got wrong? Do you want to add anything? Maybe something that you experienced that only you have experienced yet? Leave it down below, because again, this video was only made possible due to my Discord members giving their opinion. I alone don't know everything, and if you comment, we can help more people with this video. Because here's the thing, this is not a shopping list. The only thing you really need is proper underwear and socks. Everything else depends on your body type, your playing type, and your overall preferences. Which is why it's important to have a lot of different options to choose from. So that's it for today, and see you on the next one. LARP.